Does your mind race when you try to fall asleep? It's not always your bed that keeps you up. Often, it's your brain staying alert long after you turn out the lights. One gentle way to quiet your thoughts is by listening to audio that mimics a steady heartbeat. Adding this to your night routine can help signal to your mind that it's safe to relax. Many people say this simple sound makes their nights feel calmer and their rest deeper. If you're looking for a peaceful way to wind down, check the link in the description or bio and try it tonight.